Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Miss Shelby.
Okay, so before we start our lesson, I want you guys to come over to the rug area quietly, and I want you to bring your notebook, and I want you to bring a pencil, okay? Is everyone good with that? Yeah? All right. So, table 1, can you come over to the rug area quietly? Table 2, table 3, and table 4. All right. Wonderful. So, today we're going to learn about fractions and how we can list them from least to greatest, So, our learning objective is students will be able to list fractions from least to greatest using a diagram. So, for the first example, we're doing 1/2, 1/8, and 1/4. Now, for 1/4, for 1/2, how many lines are we going to include in box 1? One box. And that should make how many squares?
2.
2 squares. And the second box for 1/8, how many?
8.
We're going to do 8. Perfect. We're going to make 8 rectangles. So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8.
6,
7, 8.
7,
8.
All right. For number 4, how many boxes are going to be?
4.
4 smaller boxes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
2, 3, 4.
3, 4. All right. In the first part, we're going to take our numerator, the number in the numerator, and we're going to shade that number into our diagram. So the top number is called what? The what? The top number. We call it
Numerator.
the numerator.
I call it numerator.
Numerator. And for the bottom number, we call it the
Numerator.
say it with me.
Denominator.
Denominator. All right. So for 1/2, how many boxes are being shaded in?
1.
1. So I'm going to use my orange. Oops.
Oopsie daisy.
And then we're going to shade in 1. All right. For 1/8, how many are we shading
1.
in? We're shading in number 1. We're just shading in 1. And how many for 1/4?
Oh, yeah, 1.
1. Okay, can we stop yelling out the answers, okay?
Okay.
Answer properly. All right. So now we're going to list it from least to greatest. Which one of our 3 diagrams is smaller? Which one is our least? Is it 1/2, 1/8, or 1/4?
1/8.
1/8. So we're going to put that answer in the answer box. So we have 1/8. Our next one is what? 1/4 or 1/2? 1/4 or 1/2?
1/2.
Not 1/2. Why?
1/4.
1/4. And our last one is
1/2.
1/2. Perfect. So our answer is 1/8, 1/4, and 1/2. 1/2. Does everyone understand how we got our answer?
Yes.
Good. Any questions?
No.
No questions. Let's move on. So we have example 2. We have 1/5, 1/6, and 1/3. So what's gonna go on? How many rectangles are we gonna create? How many parts are gonna be created in the first box? 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are going to be created in the next box?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are going to create it in the third box?
3.
3. 1, 2, and 3. Now, we have 1/5, 1/6, and 1/3. For the first one, how many are we going to shade in for
1/5?
1. Alright, how many for 1/6?
1.
1. Very nice, Savannah.
You're welcome.
And for number 3, 1/3.
What?
1 box.
Thank you, Shelby.
Alright. So which one is the least fraction? Which one is least? 1/5, 1/6, or 1/3?
1/6.
1/6. Okay, good. Very nice. 1/6. And for 1/5. For the next one, is it 1/5 or 1/3?
1/3.
Let's look at it. We have 1/5 here. Is 1/5 bigger than 1/3?
No.
So which one is bigger?
1/3.
And which one is smaller?
1/3 and 1/5.
So which one, what's the answer? What's the next answer?
1/5 is smaller and 1/3 is bigger.
So we have 1/5 and 1/3. So our answer is 1/6,
6,
1/5, and 1/3. All right. So now we're going to move on to our independent practice. Our independent practice. I'm going to walk over and I'm going to get that and we're going to, is there any questions?
No.
Alrighty. So, for independent practice, here's what you're going to do. We have three problems, and for each problem, you're going to draw 3 boxes, and you're gonna put each fraction. To show each fraction, you're gonna put the amount, the denominator on the bottom. You're gonna put that amount inside the box, and then you're gonna shade in the numerator part. How big are your boxes gonna be? Are they gonna be of different sizes?
No.
No. Why not?
Because they have to be the same.
They have to be the same. Why do we want them to be the same?
Because they are not the different sizes.
If we put it in the different sizes, what's gonna happen? What might happen? We might get the answer what? Right or wrong?
Wrong!
We might get the answer wrong. So I want you guys to do the 3 problems. For each problem, how many boxes are we drawing?
3.
3 boxes per problem. Are they going to be of different size or the same size?
Same size!
All right. For the first question, we have 1/2, 1 over 1, 1/3. Who wants to read the next problem?
Me.
Who's me?
Vanny.
Savannah. All right. Vanna, can you read
Second.
this number 2? Read it.
1, 5.
5th.
I say 5.
1/5.
1/3. 1, 9.
1/9. For the third one, anybody else who wants to read the question? Yes, Rebecca?
1/6, 1/8, and 1/10.
Good. So you're going to take each problem. You're going to have it on the top. You're going to show your 3 boxes. You're going to put your answers in the boxes, and then you're going to put your sketches in the boxes, and then you're going to put your answer in an answer box. You're going to create an answer box, and all of your problems and all of your work is going into what? Your notebook. Okay? So let's get started. Come on, I can't be here. I can't do all the work for you. You guys have to do it by yourself.
Aww.
But it's independent practice. If you need any help, just raise your hands and I'll come over and help you. So I'm going to send everyone back to their tables. Let's do a different order. Table 2. Table 1. Table 3. And table 4. All right. Independent practice means no talking, okay? No talking. Everybody's focused on their work. Okay? And if you need a question, you're going to do what? You're going to do what?
Raise your hand.
You're going to raise your hand. Very nice. So, thank you.